And now you can see we have our multiple.
Who I want to blame? I'm going off the trails of a crazy train. Who I want to blame? I'm going off the trails of a crazy train. Who I want to blame? I'm going off the. Hello, comment ça va? Hello, comment ça va? Hey, hey.
Multi-chat right here. So if you click this little thing here, you'll notice that we have Twitch because we connected that, TikTok, Kick, and then all. So the cool part is, if you just wanted to type something to your Twitch chat, you could literally just hit the Twitch one and then send the message there. But if you wanted to send a message to everything, I don't know if it works for TikTok yet, or it's just not working because I'm not actually live on TikTok right now. If I just type hi to all, it's going to post hi to every single chat that you're streaming to, which saves so much time and it's so freaking cool. So I don't know about the TikTok thing just because I'm not live right now, but if it does, then cool. But right now it says not supported, so I don't know. So this is just for us to read. Your chat's not going to read this, but let me show you how to do it in Streamlabs real quick. So this is what it looks like after you've already set it up in Streamlabs. It just literally looks like this. But in order to do that, all you got to do is go to the top left corner, click the layout editor, and then you'll be able to choose from any of these layouts. But the important part is it's scrolling down and adding this little website widget that you can drop over any of these. I picked this one, and so all you got to do is drop it in there. Oh, well, I guess I'm making a new one. Click and paste that URL that we have just done. Click anywhere off the screen, and then hit save changes, and then now it's going to show up right here, and then you can also adjust these little things here. Sometimes it gets a little glitchy, and maybe it'll go like that, and you're like, oh my god, it's not there, Cody, but no, you just got to drag it. Sometimes it likes to hide, play a little hide and seek, a little peekaboo action, and it works just like that for Streamlabs. I should also note that you need to have Streamlabs caffeinated, the thing that's running right now, open before you start your stream in order to actually process all this. You can minimize it, that's fine, but just make sure you do not actually close this and it is actually running. Otherwise, you're not able to read your chat or anything like that. That kind of rhymes. I like that. We're keep going. Oh my god. So you can also do your activity feed, which honestly I've not actually tried before, but let's try it out. Let's go and copy that and go to OBS. Then we're going to go to docs, custom browser docs. We'll do multi-feed, which is kind of making me hungry. Hit apply after we put in that new URL. Bada boom, bada bing. I guess we'll put it, I don't know where we put it here. I guess put on the right side, maybe. There we go. Beautiful. Close. And then as soon as we get new followers and we get subs, I guess, any kind of activity feed is going to pop up here. I don't have anything going on right now. I don't really know how to test that, so we'll just trust that it works. You can also adjust different things about the actual multi-chat doc that you have in here. So clicking this, it has a ding when a new message comes in. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me for something like this, and honestly, I haven't found a solution until this. So there you go. If you guys have like one person talking every 3 hours and you don't want to keep looking at chat like a loser, then go ahead and just enable this. Bada boom, bada bing, you're good. You can also adjust text size, EQ, everything else, alternating message backgrounds. It's got a lot of really cool stuff. So feel free to customize it here, but we actually want to put our multi-chat on the screen, or you don't, you can skip this part, that's fine too. But I know a lot of you guys want to do it. And the way I showed you in the last video honestly kind of sucked, and there's a much better way. So let me show you how to do it. First, we're gonna go back into Caster Labs, and instead of using the screen chat URL and then using a chroma key to like blur out the background like an idiot, we're actually gonna go to the widgets and alerts section. And so you can see I already got one here, but you don't. So we're gonna go to the plus button down here, and you can see this is where you can set up your alerts. This is where you can set up labels like recent donation, stream uptime, follower count, all that stuff. They also have goals like sub goals, custom goals, donation goals, daily sub goals, cam widget, now playing widget. I'm assuming that's like for Spotify and stuff. But the one that we want is interaction. So not emoji range, which sounds kind of cool actually. But we're gonna click the chat option. So we're gonna click that, and you're gonna have a new one here. So then here you can rename it if you want. Edit name. I'm going to actually go back to my other one to show you my preferred settings. So you can just make changes here. So just give me a sec. We're gonna go back for me, and then I'm gonna go to my chat box and show you this is the one that I'm currently using. So these are gonna be all the settings I'm currently using. So I like to have user badges before username. Right now, there's an iffy part where you're not supposed to actually have multi-chat on your stream for streaming on Twitch. For my, I guess it makes it way less. It's very simple, right? But you can go to the text style. You can change the font size, text shadow, outline. So then just for and have that actually know what to do. Your plus button under source, and then we're gonna do browser. Go going on. This is my. Then you could opt Twitch. I use good events. This is where it gets fun. Show chat messages. Yeah, streaming badges before for me.